In this video we will understand Unit 10, Applications of Psychology. Let's start. 1. Introduction. Introduction to forensic psychology, which assists law enforcement agencies in crime scene investigation. Mention of various applied areas of psychology in this chapter, including health, education, organization, law, environment, and military. 2. Clinical and health. Clinical psychology. Clinical psychologists perform psychotherapy, investigate clinical problems, and develop treatment methods for severe psychological disorders and emotional troubles. Explains the distinction between clinical psychology and psychiatry, where psychiatrists are medical doctors, while clinical psychologists hold master's or doctoral degrees in clinical psychology. Clinical psychologists cannot prescribe medication or refer patients to hospitals for treatment. Counseling psychology, similar to clinical psychology but focuses on milder emotional and personal problems, aims to provide personal counseling, research emotional disturbances, and offer guidance on various personal issues. Health psychology focuses on the scientific study of health, illness, and health-related behaviors. Seeks to understand the psychological factors that affect health behaviors. Emphasizes patient education, stress management, and improving health behaviors. Health psychologists can be found in hospitals, clinics, and various research and educational settings. 3. Work and organization. Engineering psychology deals with the design of machinery, computers, and various technologies for business, industry, and the military. Addresses human engineering, which aims to optimize human-machine interactions. Industrial, organizational psychology investigates behavior in work settings, including employee selection, performance appraisal, work motivation, and leadership. Industrial psychologists play a key role in improving workplace environments and employee relations. Consumer psychology focuses on understanding consumer behavior and helps organizations increase sales. Aids in product design and advertising to attract and influence consumers effectively. 4. Education and sports. Educational psychology, concerned with developing effective teaching methods and techniques, considering psychological factors in the learning process, investigates classroom dynamics, teaching styles, curriculum design, and techniques of instruction. School psychology, a specialized subfield of educational psychology that deals with psychological testing, referrals, and counseling of students, especially regarding learning disabilities. Sports psychology focuses on the psychological aspects of sports, including research, education, and intervention for athletes. 5. Criminal and forensic. Forensic psychology examines the intersection between psychology and the criminal justice system. Involves testifying in court, providing psychological findings in legal language, and working with legal professionals. Criminal psychology seeks to uncover psychological factors and motivations behind criminal behavior, often involving criminal profiling. 6. Environment. Environmental psychology investigates the interrelationship between the physical environment and human behavior and experience. Addresses topics like environmental perception, environmental stress, and coping with environmental factors. 7. Military and aviation. Military psychology applies psychological principles in a military setting, focusing on improving the well-being of military personnel and their families. Aviation psychology, a relatively unknown field dealing with the psychological aspects of aviation, including pilot selection and cockpit design. Here, we studied application of psychology in health, education, organization, law, environment, and at last military. Thank you.